Azra here from the Luxy Hair team, and today I'm going to be showing you how to style beachy voluminous waves in a short lob. So as we all know, short hair slash the lob is super trendy right now, but it can be a little bit difficult to style. I usually like to wear my hair wavy just because I like more volume and I think it's just a little bit more fun. So usually people will curl their hair with a curling iron, but because my hair is so short, and you short hair ladies will know, it's really difficult to actually curl your hair in the iron or wand. I actually like to use a hair straightener, and hair straightener waves are just super nice and just relaxed, and that's just the look that I'm going for, so that's what I'm going to be using today. So the first thing we're going to do is prep our hair to be heat styled with a straightener. Heat protector is always key, so I'm just going to spray that through my hair, and next we're going to work in sections to curl the hair with a straightener. The smaller the section that you take your straightener and curl with, the more voluminous your waves are going to be. Just take a small section, like maybe 1.5 inches. Take your straightener. I like to have mine at 350 because my hair is thicker. If you have thinner hair, you can go a little bit lower. So the way you curl your hair with a straightener is you just get it in the root, twist, and then pull. But the key here is not to go all the way to the end. The reason why I want to do that is because I want to have that sort of like loose, beachy wave effect. So just leave the end a little bit, and then you also will keep a little bit of your length as well. For the next section, take the same amount, but we're going to twist the other way. So we're going to be going away from your face towards your face. And the reason for that is because when your hair is like beachy and wavy, it's not all the same curl, and it's just going to give that nice natural sort of like undone look. I've curled most of my hair, or waved it rather, and I have just the top left. So what I'm gonna do is, because I want it to be nice and voluminous, I'm just gonna curl it a little bit slower at the root here, and then just leave the end loose. And as you can see, it's not perfect, but that's not the look that I'm going for. So just kind of fix it up as you go, but don't worry about it being super perfect because it's not supposed to be. Okay, so now that I've gone in and just curled and waved all of my hair, it's looking still not as undone and imperfect as I want it to be, and it's not as volumized as I want it to be either. So what I'm gonna do is flip my hair over, run my fingers through the curls just to separate them a little bit, and I'm gonna use a texturizing spray. It's gonna go on top, and then it's just gonna give that a really nice sort of like gritty look. Okay, and as you can see, just by flipping it over, running your hands through, adding some texture, and then just kind of scrunching, you can just see how much bigger, more volumized my hair has gotten, and it just has that really like cool sort of beachy undone vibe that I was going for. And that's it. So thank you so much guys for watching. It's been really fun, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to try it out and let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.